So how to change folder color on your MacBook? Suppose I want to change this folder color, then you have to press on command and space. Then you can see your preview option. You have to open the preview, and then top right corner go to file and press on new file clipboard, and it's open like that. And go to your tool option and press on adjust colors. Now you can adjust your colors by a teeny or anything. You just need to adjust color, and once done, press on command and C, and I am minimize it. Then go to your folder and press on get info. Then press on this icon cursor and press on command V. You see, it's changed. So that's it. Have a good day. Thank you for watching.